All right, question of the day, where I take one of you guys' question and I try to answer it. Today's question is from Emil Hulsebos. Hey, Ola, question. How do you switch tunings on your tour? Because you have many drop, 7-string and standard tuning songs, but you only use 2 guitars on this tour. And this is a great question, and I think I sort of answered it in the video that Tolman did. Tolman did a rig rundown from one of the shows, and I kind of showed and explained this. But you know what? I'm gonna explain it to you right here instead, and maybe even show you the project. Just to quickly explain, my touring rig for Escape the Internet was a computer rig with audio interfaces. So I would run guitar and bass through my computer together with backing tracks, synths, and metronomes and shit like that. So everything was in a Logic project, and this is the Logic project right here. And this is what it looks like. You have the songs right here. You say, hey, Hunden here, Chef and CJ, demonetized. And it's basically rolling and stopping depending on where in the set I am. And then I have input of a guitar right here. And it seems that my voice is, I'm not using the audio interface that I used for tour right here. So I think it just defaults to having input number 1 being the microphone. Why I can't scream like this? Plus 11 dB, not too bad. But anyways, the guitar input or the guitar track is this right here, and I'll show it to you real quick. So just to explain the signal path for my guitar when I'm using this rig, it goes into the audio interface, and then it goes into this input guitar track right here, which has these plugins on them. And as you can see, the ones that are blue are the ones that are activated at the moment, but as the project moves on, you can see that the colors will change. It will shut off and shut on different parts of and different plugins, basically switching between lead and rhythm and clean tones and so on and so forth. But the first plugin is an archetype. I think this is the whammy right here. I'm only using this for the whammy. As you can see, all the other parts are bypassed. Then I have a noise gate. Then I have a vintage drive, which is only used for leads, actually, just to boost the leads a little bit. Then I have my main guitar plugin, which is the Plini X right here. And as you can see right here, you have the transpose function. And this, depending on where in the song, this can go up and down. As you can see here, I'm switching between +2 and -3. And then we go to Hey Hunden, which is -1, for instance. And all of these changes are being automated. So if you go into the input guitar track, I have an automation for transpose right here. And it looks like this. So as you can see, it's automating all over the place. So this is how I'm able to use 2 guitars instead of having 7 different guitars with different tunings. Maybe one day I'll make a full video showing everything that's happening in this project right here. Which, yeah, I'm pretty fucking proud about how this all came out to be, because it is very advanced. As you can see here, all the other lines in the background, there are also other automations. So like you can see here, this little thing right there, that's probably, I think that's a send that sends the guitar signal to a delay. So as you can see at the end of the solo here, it sends more and more into the delay, and you get more and more of a delayed signal. Dude, so proud of myself. Hope I answered the question. It's a very complicated answer, I'm sorry.